Okay, everyone, good time to all of you, and thank you so much for watching me. Actually, today my topic is my favorite book. Actually, I'm a student, so I have many experience for reading book. Actually, as a student, I have read many type of book. Actually, I love to share my when I was primary school. Actually, that time I have read many type of books, Bangla, English, and math, and actually it's called Bangla, Samaj, and science, and my religion's book, Hindu Dharma. So I have read six book when I was class. Actually, when I was primary school. So and that time I have read a storybook. Actually, it is a very funny storybook. It was a very funny storybook for me. Actually, that time I love to read book. Actually, so I regularly read many type of book. That time my father every month, every 2 months, three after 3 months, 4 months, after 5 months later, he give me many type of story book that so I read many type of book when I was primary school. And then when I get up high school, actually in that time I had many type of book. Is You are know that because you are at this time honors level student, so you know that that time we had a many type of book. So there are many experience for reading book. It's a every student, actually it's for it is not me. uh, Actually there are many student experience for reading book read book. So at this time, I'd like to share you when I was class 8. That time our teacher, our high school teacher, his name is Arman Ali. Actually he is a library teacher. So when actually every years, when I was primary school, that time every years every was start a exam. Actually it is a exam with a history exam. Actually there are many type of book. Our teacher give me. It was a story. Actually for it is for he give every student. Actually, Taib, Joy, Shagur, there are many students in our school. Actually, there are many friends. I have many friends. So every friend read. There are many books, and after read that time we had to exam. We have to give. We have to exam after exam. We have our teacher publish our result. And who is the first, who is the second, who is the third. Actually at this time when I was class 9, that time I was a first in a story exam. So it is a very it was a very looking great, I think, for me. um, and when I get up when I get up intermediate, at that time I have read many type of book. Actually, you can see that. Just wait a minute. Actually, I'm an honors student. You can see that It is a my book actually. You know that I'm an honor student, so I have many type. I have many experience for read book actually. Today I share you, Mr. Shimul. Actually. My department of management. So management has a subject. This subject called name accounting. Actually, principle of accounting. Actually, you know that I'm a master of accounting subjects. Please mute yourself, Mr. Simon. Uh, and it's very appreciable for me. Mr. Shimon, please mute yourself. Okay, thank you for mute. And okay, that's all. That's all. Thank you for watching me. Bye.